front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Apps section available here. Now click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those options to pick which one you wanna manage. Personally, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Click on Firefox to apply it and tap on the back button. As you can see, after a few seconds, my default app has changed. You can manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!